In this video, we have shared the TEFL coupon and discount offers where you can save up to 50%. Premier TEFL is an online English language learning course from beginners to fluent speakers. Premier TEFL has different courses for TEFL certifications, IELTS certifications, and international teaching jobs. How to grab Premier TEFL promotional codes. Click on the link given below in the description and create an account with Premier TEFL. Choose the course that you wish to learn. You can check the complete list of courses by clicking the link below. Add the course to the checkout cart and enter the coupon code given. Premier TEFL already gives various bonuses on these courses. You can use the promo code to avail more discounts. Place your order and you will receive a confirmation email on completion of payment. Currently, Premier TEFL is giving lifetime access with up to 85% discount. So, grab it quickly. Subscribe to Affiliate Bay for more coupons and discounts.